We begin this evening with the deadliest day San Diego has seen since the pandemic started. And in a sign of how desperate this situation is getting, Governor Newsom is opening the federal medical station in Escondido. That sets up extra beds to help relieve overwhelmed San Diego hospitals. Good evening. I'm Lindsay Pena.
And I'm Derek Stallman for Steve Atkinson. Today, the county announced that 39 more people have died from COVID-19. ABC 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala is joining us live. And Mimi, this is the first time the state has actually had to activate this emergency medical center.
Yeah, Derek, Lindsay, and at this point, it's still not entirely clear when exactly this federal medical station is actually going to open to patients. And the county couldn't really tell us either how the 202 beds will be staffed. But here is what we do know. And we do have some pictures to show you as well inside of the federal medical station in Escondido. So Governor Newsom announced that this would be the 5th alternative care site to open. Again, there are 202 beds total on the 10th and 11th floors at Palomar Medical Center in Escondido. Earlier this month, the chief medical officer of Palomar told us the beds will be used for patients that do not require ICU care. So they would offload some of the less sick patients from other county hospitals that do become overwhelmed to free up room for sicker patients at those hospitals. So here in Southern California, in our region, our ICU capacity is currently at 0%. And while we do still have some ICU beds here in San Diego County, the big problem is making sure there's enough staff to care for the patients. Scripps Health CEO Chris Van Gorder spoke at the county news conference just a bit ago and said hospital systems across the county are concerned as we're continuing to see more COVID-19 cases from Thanksgiving gatherings.
And right now, in San Diego County, we have 24 staffed ICU beds available. That's out of about 670 ICU beds. 24 left today. Now, patients are coming in and out every day. Those numbers change. But that indicates to me, and I think that others in the healthcare system, that we have a little bit of a dilemma on our hands.
And right now, county leaders are continuing to urge everyone to not gather outside of your immediate family this Christmas. Reporting live, Mimi Alcala, ABC 10 News.
Mimi, thanks. And let's walk you now through the latest coronavirus numbers here in San Diego County. More than 2,500 new cases were just reported. That brings the total to well over 134,000. And as we mentioned off the top of the broadcast, this was the single deadliest day in San Diego County. 39 more people died. That means that more than 1,300 San Diegans have lost their lives from this virus since the pandemic began.